Building modular FastMCP applications doesn't mean starting from scratch every time. You'll see how to compose multiple FastMCP servers together using the mount method, creating a parent-child relationship where one server can expose another's tools under a custom prefix. This pattern lets you organize complex applications into reusable components while maintaining clean separation of concerns.
Hash example, importing a subserver. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Import Essentio. Main equals FastMCP. Name equals main. Sub equals FastMCP. Name equals sub. At subtool. Def hello. Return hi. Hash mount directly. Main mount sub prefix sub.
This demonstrates server composition through modular mounting, a pattern that lets you build complex systems by combining smaller, focused servers. Each FastMCP instance acts as an independent unit with its own tools and resources, while the mounting system creates a hierarchical namespace for clean integration. The distinctive aspect is how it preserves encapsulation. Subservers remain self-contained while exposing their capabilities under a parent server's prefix. The pattern works by establishing a parent-child relationship between servers, where the parent delegates requests to mounted subservers based on path prefixes. This creates a logical hierarchy without tight coupling, as subservers maintain their own state, decorators, and configuration. The prefix-based routing handles the plumbing automatically, so your code stays focused on domain logic rather than request dispatching or namespace management. This approach solves the monolithic server problem by enabling true modular architecture. You can develop features in isolation as separate servers, then compose them at runtime, ideal for large applications, microservices, or plugin systems. The trade-off is a slight indirection cost for cross-server calls, but the gain in maintainability and testability typically outweighs it for non-trivial systems. Let's break it down.
Hash example, importing a subserver.
This comment signals the start of a modular server example. It demonstrates how to import and mount subservers, enabling hierarchical tool organization in FastMCP.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Import Essentio.
Imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI callable tools, and Essentio for handling asynchronous operations. This combination enables building concurrent, AI-integrated microservices where functions execute without blocking.
Main equals FastMCP. Name equals main. Sub equals FastMCP. Name equals sub.
These lines instantiate two FastMCP servers, a primary server named main and a secondary server named sub. This establishes the hierarchical structure needed for mounting subservers, enabling modular organization of AI callable tools.
At subtool. Def hello. Return hi.
The @subtool decorator registers this function as an AI callable tool under the sub server. It exposes the function's signature and return type to FastMCP's tool discovery system, making it available for AI orchestration or remote invocation. This follows FastMCP's tool pattern, where decorated functions become first-class tools in the server's API. The decorator handles schema generation, input validation, and tool registration automatically.
Hash mount directly. Main mount sub prefix sub.
This mounts the sub-server under the sub prefix on the main server, creating a hierarchical root structure. Enables modular organization by nesting subservers while maintaining clean URL namespacing. Server composition pattern. The mount operation transforms independent FastMCP servers into hierarchical components, preserving their full functionality while nesting them under custom prefixes. Prefixes become part of the tool's addressable path, so design them to avoid collisions with existing routes. This approach enables modular architecture without sacrificing direct tool accessibility.
The server that disappears into another remains whole.